Module 1, problem number 8, compute the range and sample standard deviation for strength of the concrete in PSI, pounds per square inch. But that's not necessarily important for this. As you see here, we have our data. You could calculate, the first one is to say to calculate the range. The way you could calculate the range would just be to take the highest number and subtract the lowest number. That would give you the range. The other way to do it, and I'm going to show you in StatCrunch just to get you a little bit more familiar with StatCrunch, you click on this icon right next to your data set, and it gives you a few options. You can open in StatCrunch, you can copy to a clipboard, or you can open in Excel. We're going to open in StatCrunch. And see here, it goes ahead and opens StatCrunch and populates the data set right here. So we're going to go to Stat, Summary Stats, Column, and then we're going to select our column. As you see here, var1, short for variable 1, that's our column that we're analyzing. And you can scroll down here and see all the possible options for statistics you could find. As you see here, we have range, so we're just going to select that and click Compute. And it gives us our range. Here it's 1180. So let's click in 1180, or type in 1180. Good job. All right, now we're looking for the standard deviation. Remember, S is short, it represents the sample standard deviation. So let's go back to StatCrunch where we already have our data set, and you can click Stat. Now, we could have done this from the beginning and selected both. I'll show you how to do that. Stat, Summary Stats, Columns, select our variable. Remember, we just found the range. We could have selected range and then held down. Depending on if you're using a Mac or a PC, I'm on a Mac, so I hit Command and click. See here, it tells you can select more than one with either Shift plus click or Command and click. So, and you see over here, it shows us which ones are selected. So we want the standard deviation. I'm just showing you the range if you could, so you could do them together. All right, let's click Compute. See, now we have a new table that's got both the range and the standard deviation. Here it says round to 1 decimal place. That means we go here, since there's a 6 right here, we need to bump that up to a 7. So it's 482.7. 2.7. Check answer. Fantastic. So that's number 8, module 1. If you have any questions or need any help, let me know.